In this short tutorial, I will show you how to send confetti on an iPhone. Sending confetti can add a touch of fun and excitement to your messages. To get started, open up the Messages app on your iPhone, and then tap and select the conversation you want to send confetti. Then type in anything you want. And then tap and hold this arrow button. It will show you these options. What you want to do next is tap on the screen option at the top. And then swipe left until you see the confetti effect. Once you've found the confetti effect, simply tap on the send button to send the message. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.